In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy J5 Prime, and today I will show you how to perform a hard reset of the device through settings. So to begin with the process, all we need to do is open up the settings and then scroll down to General Management and then choose Reset and Factory Data Reset. Now scroll a tiny bit down and you'll have the button Reset and delete all. And now the process will begin. Give it a couple minutes, it might take several minutes, so just be patient, and I'll be back once the Android setup screen is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and we can begin the setup of the device. I'm just gonna perform a quite quick one without actually connecting to network and other stuff. So and as you can see, now it's all finished. So that is basically how you perform a hard reset of the device through settings. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.